Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear Indians preparing for a future trip, study program, or career opportunity in Italy tuning in. Proper visa preparation can help make your travel plans smoother and reduce unnecessary delays. Here's something helpful for you: getting visa guidance for Italy from Youthbuddy. Italy mainly offers two categories of visas based on the purpose and duration of travel. Short-stay Schengen visas are commonly used for tourism, family visits, business trips, and other visits lasting up to 90 days. Long-stay visas are designed for students, employees, researchers, and individuals planning extended stays in Italy. The first step is identifying the correct visa category based on your travel plans and intended activities. Before applying, review the latest requirements through official Italian embassy, consulate, or visa service channels. Applicants generally need a valid passport, completed application form, passport photographs, and supporting documents. Travel insurance, accommodation details, financial proof, and travel plans are commonly required for many visa categories. Students may need an admission or acceptance letter from an educational institution in Italy. Business travelers may need an invitation letter from the Italian company or organization they plan to visit. It is important to ensure that all submitted information is accurate and consistent across every document. Any differences between application details, financial records, travel plans, or supporting documents may create unnecessary complications. After gathering the required documents, schedule an appointment through the appropriate visa application process. Attend the appointment with all required paperwork and complete any biometric requirements if requested. Visa application fees differ depending on the category and are generally non-refundable. Processing times can differ based on visa type, application volume, and individual circumstances. Short-stay visas may be processed within a few weeks, while long-stay visas can require additional time. Applying well before your intended travel date provides extra time for document corrections or unexpected delays. Many applicants track their application status through official channels after submission. Once approved, carefully review the visa details, including names, dates, and validity periods. If you notice any errors, contact the relevant visa authorities promptly before making travel arrangements. Before departure, keep both printed and digital copies of important travel and visa-related documents. Upon arrival, immigration authorities may request supporting documents related to your travel purpose. Be prepared to explain the purpose of your visit and provide information consistent with your visa application. Always follow the conditions attached to your visa, including permitted activities and validity periods. Overstaying a visa or engaging in activities outside its approved purpose can create future immigration difficulties. If your circumstances change, check official guidance regarding extensions or other immigration requirements. Careful preparation, accurate documentation, and timely applications can greatly improve your visa experience. With the right planning and understanding of requirements, Indians can prepare confidently for travel to Italy. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the career section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.